Hi everyone, Patrick here at Selling Online Today and Shopify.com. I do both and I'm here to help you if you're starting on your e-commerce journey or you've been on it or you're like me and who are a retailer also and want to make this work and are sick of all of the doom and gloom that people are saying retail blah de blah, no, it's all going online. Well, it is. It's all going online, but there's a healthy mix. It's not over yet. We can run a successful e-commerce store and a bricks and mortar business. So let's get back to this here. We're on our Shopify store and you want to, in my case, I merged from a different website and I moved over to Shopify and all of a sudden my Google Analytics stopped working. Why? Because you got to set it up in your Shopify store. So how do you do that? Okay, so you're in your dashboard here, go to your online store, go to your preferences, and then just go down and you want to put your Google Analytics here. Now this will usually be empty. So how do I get that? Well, you got to set up first of all your Google Analytics account. Now I'm presuming that you've already done that. All you got to do is follow the tutorials that are online. But you've got it here, so where do I get this little code? It's where you put it that's important. Anyway, you're going in here, you're going down to your settings, down here, and there you go, in our account settings. This is the little ID that you want. So you're just copying it, and you're popping it in. And you'll pop it in here, and you'll also use enhanced e-commerce settings. There's all sorts of other things that you can do around that, but for now you just want to set it up, and some of you at the moment don't know where to do that. So that's what this tutorial is all about. So you get your analytics, you set up your account. You don't need loads of accounts. Just go to the account settings, get this little ID and put it in to this area, which is within the preferences on your online store. Simple as that. I wanted to keep it simple. This is Patrick from Selling Online Today and Shopify.com and Upscale Marketing. God, you wear so many hats. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Let's just stop the recording.